How to remove an entry from Chrome's remembered URLs from the URL bar? I've got a URL in Chrome local.mysite.com that auto-populates when I start typing local.my into the URL bar. Note that this URL does not exist in my browser history, at chrome://history/#e=1 and p=0, because it isn't a real site and therefore couldn't ever be successfully visited and therefore never shows up in my history. The URL I want is local.mysite.com/subdir/. That URL is 3 down in the suggested results because I keep accidentally hitting enter when it auto-suggests the unwanted first URL, thus reinforcing its assumption that that is the one I want. How do I get rid of the local.mysite.com entry in Chrome's memory?
Follow the steps below to remove individual items from the address bar's remembered URLs. Type local.mysite.com, use the keys to move focus to the item you wish to delete, press the relevant keys depending on which OS you are using. Windows and Linux. Press Shift+Del. macOS. Press Shift+Del. When the keyboard has a dedicated Del key, press Fn+Shift+Backspace, otherwise.
Another option is to browse the History tab of Chrome, Chrome://history, and click the menu next to the URL you want to delete. Below is a screenshot. Sorry it is in German, but you should get the idea. In the German menu it is the second option, Ausverlauf entfernen.
In Chrome v86, maybe earlier too, on my macOS when I type in the URL bar and move the mouse cursor over a suggestion, an X button appears with a tooltip remove suggestion. After clicking this X, the chosen suggestion no longer appears.
A recent version of Chrome changed how to remove entries from the autocomplete list. You should now use the X button on the far right of the URL, in the auto-completion list. That button will only appear for the first suggestion, but will also appear for other suggestions if you hover over them.
If you want to support my channel,